And now, The View from Washington, an explanation of U.S. policy.
In his most recent report to the Human Rights Council in Geneva, the UN Special Rapporteur on the situation of human rights in Iran, Ahmed Shahid, raised serious concerns. Among them was the staggering rate of executions in Iran in 2015, over 966, dwarfing the per capita rate of any other state in the United Nations. Another was the plight of Iranian human rights defenders, many of whom are in detention. A third was the increasing crackdown on journalists, civil society activists, and artists. And a fourth was the ongoing persecution of religious minorities, in particular the Baha'is, but also Christians from Muslim backgrounds who continue to face arbitrary arrest and imprisonment.
The troubling state of human rights in Iran today is due in large part, firstly, to inadequate legal protections against rights abusers, and secondly, to a failure to faithfully and properly implement laws that do satisfy Iran's international legal obligations. The urgent need for fundamental reform of the country's criminal justice system and the impact these reforms can have in dramatically improving the human rights situation in Iran cannot, in my opinion, be overstated.
The United States welcomes Special Rapporteur Shahid's report and its spotlight on human rights in Iran. As President Barack Obama has said, people everywhere long for the freedom to determine their destiny.
The comfort that comes with faith and the justice that exists when governments serve their people.
The United States of America will always stand up for these aspirations, said Mr. Obama, for our own people and for people all across the world.
That was The View from Washington, an explanation of U.S. policy.